Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make caramel bread pudding with coconut milk. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have with me 4 breads, the normal local palm which I have soaked. Here I have coconut milk, medium size 1.5 coconut which I have extracted from it. 3 egg yolks, 4 tablespoons of sugar for caramel and 5 tablespoons of sugar to mix in the coconut milk along with the bread. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon salt. Now we'll add all the ingredients to the blender. Now we'll blend all this together till it is nice and smooth. Our blended mixture is ready. It should be nice and smooth like this. Let's make the caramel. Add the sugar. So our caramel is getting ready. It's almost done, as you can see. This should be the color of the caramel. Now let's add the blended mixture to the caramel. Now we'll pressure cook this in the pressure cooker for until 5 whistles. Our pudding is ready now. I have cooled it down for 1 hour. Let's unmold it. Bread caramel pudding with coconut milk is ready. Bread caramel pudding नाल्लाचे रसान ready. Before you put it in the pressure cooker, cover it with a lid so that the water doesn't go in, and then pressure cooker it.